We're all looking for better tasting water and safer drinking water. I found a water filter that's easy to install, no tools required. Let's get to it. Now, I've heard of Waterdrop products before. In fact, I use their filters in my refrigerator right now for water filtration. I didn't know they had this easy to install faucet mounted solution. This is an easy to install activated carbon filter water filtration. It comes with all the possible adapter tips you're going to need. It comes with the activated charcoal and of course the fixture itself. Now for most people, if you have a standard faucet similar to this, it's going to be very easy to install and it will fit. However, if you have this kind of faucet, it will not fit. Okay, could not be simpler. Like I said, you're going to simply unscrew the aerator. That's this end tip. Now, usually it's hand tight. If you do need pliers, you can use it. However, I bet you have this kind of scrunchie, this rubber can opener most people have in their kitchens. You could use that to wrap around and then get it started and unscrew your aerator. So that will need to come out before you can install your water filter. Next, you're going to select the right adapter for your particular faucet. They have both a female and a male adapter. Okay, if you hold your old piece to the new adapter, you'll find the perfect match. Okay, now with the correct adapter piece into the ring. And then you screw the adapter into your faucet. It screws into the right. Here I'm using a rubber jar opener to help me get extra friction to tighten that up to the right. Okay, once that is secured, now you're onto your valve, and that will go over this threaded screw and simply tighten that on down. You can decide if you want the valve lever to the left or to the right. That's your preference. And then you're going to open up the water cartridge filter itself and install the new filter. The black washer side will go down towards the black washer, and then simply screw the cover in to the right. It's a nice firm connection, and then you're ready to put your water filter onto the valve. Here I'm putting it at a horizontal location and then just lifting it up into position. And really that's all there is to it. Now I'm ready to turn back on the water. You may get a little bit of air in the lines as the water's been off, but it will flow clean and clear. Look at that. Now the valve will allow you to have filtered water on the filter side or unfiltered water, so you can decide. There may be times where you want unfiltered water if you're just filling a bucket or a pail to water plants or something like that. But of course, if you're drinking or cooking, you want the filtered water. This filter by Waterdrop was so easy to install, and now my drinking water is clean and clear and tastes great. It's the easiest and quickest water filter installation I have ever seen. All the product links are in the video description down below.